Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update Windows on LG Gram laptop. To update your Windows, open the Start menu, then go to Settings. Then on the sidebar select Windows Update section, and here click Check for updates if you don't have any updates prepared for you. Also take a look in the advanced options and go to optional updates. Usually you can find driver updates here and also optional Windows updates. If you want to download some of them, hit the checkbox next to them, then click download and install. If your Windows finds any updates, then of course you'll be able to download and install them all either by clicking download and install next to the updates that you want to download, or if you have multiple updates prepared, you can click download and install all in this place. And once the updates are downloaded and installed, sometimes you may have to restart your computer in order for changes to be applied. Then you'll either see the restart now option right here, or you can simply reboot your computer by going to power options and selecting restart. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.